Hello everyone, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily, and this is today's video analysis for March 30th, 2020. Today we're taking a look at the AUDUSD, the Australian, versus the US dollar for today's trade analysis. I have two different trends highlighted with the red trend lines, specifically because we're measuring them with Fibonacci. Let me zoom out a little bit here so you can see the entire length of those trends and where they come from. Up here at the very top of the chart near the mid 7,000, 0.70, 40 or so being the top of that trend, and all the way down here at the bottom, 0.5506, the bottom of that first left-hand long trend line. And we have the shorter one right here in the middle. Basically, over the past couple of weeks, the significant downward spiral that the Australian dollar took as it pushed from here into the middle of the previous trend, or near that, right into the 0.67 or so level, and falling down to that same low. Anyway, measuring both of those with Fibonacci, we find the 50% of the shorter range and the 382 of the longer range sitting just underneath this little purple shaded area right here in the lower middle of the chart. And I put a black arrow there right around the 0.6130, 0.6105 level. Purple shaded area showing support on the day today. The market's been climbing over the past week and a half or so, sitting above 6130, 6105, 0.61. And again, the Fibonacci and retracement levels of the last two trends sit right here just underneath that purple zone. So what we're looking for on the day, and it is Monday and things can change pretty rapidly on the Monday, what we're looking for is evidence that the market's going to stay above that purple zone and continue the rise, continue to push up towards the next fib levels back into the green shaded area. The risk here, of course, is that the market turns around, reverses the trend from last week, and goes back down to the blue zone, down into the 6,000 level again. So purple zone, vitally important for our decision process today. 4-hour time frame. Look at this. Look how different it looks here on the 4-hour time frame, where we can see the market is sitting above there over the past several hours. And I'm looking right here where this black circle is. Market sitting above that purple shaded area since last week, since closing out last Friday, sitting on top of 6130, 6105 as support. So again, as long as it stays above there, the potential is the continuation of, let's kind of put a trend line here too. Let's put a trend line right here, and let's make this one a different color. Let's make this one blue. And so we have this rising blue trend from last week. And so as long as we sit above that trend line and above the purple zone, we could be looking for opportunities to find support and go back up within the direction of the trend. Again, the risk is the breakdown of the purple shaded area. Not too far back in history, we see that same purple shaded area acting as a boundary of support and eventually getting underneath there and pressing lower. So that's why we don't want it to get back underneath there. We want to see it stay above 61, 0.61, and 6130, the top of the purple zone. We want to see it continue to the green zone or higher in the direction of the trend. The risk right now is that it breaks underneath the purple shaded area. So your opportunity today is simply this. As long as it stays above the purple zone, you could be buying, targeting higher levels. The risk and stop loss, of course, will go underneath the purple zone in case it turns around and makes a reversal for the Australian dollar today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.